Ready?
From no start to start, watch how I do this.
Alright, moment of truth.
Follow along, watch me go through the process of programming.
Customer needs to change out this fuel injector control module. And we're going to try to program it. At this moment, I'm trying to communicate with the vehicle with our scan tool. Now that we have communication with the vehicle, the scan tool is telling us to turn on and off the vehicle. We just follow along with this simple process. After that, it should be a pretty forward and an easygoing job just because the unit is a brand new one. Now it's telling me to start the engine. Ready? Dude, she wants to start so bad. She wants to start, man. After fucking waiting for the battery to charge up. She's alive! Hell yeah! Fuck yeah! She's alive! Alright, I gotta turn it off and continue the programming, right? She's smoking! She had to let herself out. Oh, good God. There you go, woman. There she goes. Turn it off. Turn it on. It's gonna be clearing all these faults. Fuck yeah. Job is done, boys. Job is done. Payday. See you guys on the next one. Look at this. Stallion. Look at this.